Peace, love, and light, family. Esikhomesteddah here with another bathroom update. All right, you guys. So I gave you guys an update yesterday, and I wanted to show you what the guys did today. And they put the baseboards on right here, and then I forgot what they call this part, this half a triangle piece that goes in the little crack. I forgot what they call that. So they trimmed all the way around and took care of that today. And we have a fully functioning new toilet, you guys. Oh my gosh. So y'all know I gotta play with this, right? Y'all wanna see this? Check this out. Slow close. No more slamming of the doggone toilet. If you try to slam it, you can't slam it no more. Oh my goodness. I'm so tickled pink about this. Hold on, you guys. Let me show y'all. Probably say Essie is acting a fool. Oh my gosh. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all do not know what it's like to be in a house with 6 men. My sons slam the toilet the first thing in the morning. I've been listening to a toilet slam for the last 16 years of being in this home. They can't slam no more toilet. Oh man. So it came out really good, you guys. The plumber said that it's a fancy toilet and it was very challenging to get it installed. And I told you guys, I think I showed it to you guys. Did I show it to you guys on the box about how the bottom is made? Y'all see that? So it don't have that little ziggly swirl part, the way the water flushes out. You don't see that. And you don't see all that daggone butter that gets caked up down there. I call it butter, but it's dried up piss. I won't have to see that no more. So he did a wonderful job, and he was so funny, the plumber. He said, Miss Martin, I ain't even gonna lie, I was up there playing with it too, watching it slow close. So it's functioning really, really nice. He did a really great job. And they'll be back. Unfortunately, they wasn't able to finish today, but they will be back next week. And what's gonna happen is they will, let me move this over. They will have to remove the mirror here, and possibly this mirror, it may break, I don't know. But if it breaks, it won't be a problem, but they have to remove it because, excuse me, they have to put the marble backsplash on it. Y'all see that? So that's why it has to be removed. And then they have to finish off the plumbing for the faucet area. So that's what it's looking like now. And this is the marble top of it, and it's really nice. It's pretty, very sleek, very modern looking. I'm very pleased with it. And then they'll just put on the little knobs, and that should be good to go. They did run into a little area right here because this, for some reason, the floor in here is not quite leveled, and in certain areas you can see that. So they had to put a shim underneath there. So what I'm going to do is get them to permanently get that shim in there some kind of way so it doesn't move. It's not moving. I mean, it's very, very sturdy, and it's not shifting or anything like that. So yeah, that will be the only issue, but it's really not an issue. So that's what it's looking like up here right now. And again, I'm very pleased with how things is coming together. They have been doing the best they can. I think they're being thorough and very encouraging, saying, "Smart, we're gonna get you done. We're gonna get you done. You're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right." And I can see that we are at the finish line, you guys. So I'm gonna take you guys downstairs because the sheetrocker did show up today, but he showed up short a hand, and there was a situation downstairs in the kitchen. So let's go downstairs. All right, you guys. Y'all say bye to my fancy toilet. All right, you guys, we are downstairs. I don't even have to tell y'all, excuse my kitchen. Essie is making do with the way the situation is. Just like I said, I feel like I'm in my first apartment. All right, you guys. So the sheetrocker was short a man today. And by him telling me that he was short his manpower today, I knew that I was going to run into a situation. So this is what the ceiling is looking like. So he was able to get it all closed in. Now, I don't know if y'all see the situation. I'll just leave it there for a minute for y'all to see before I even mention the situation. Now, if you are familiar with sheetrock, you know you could get a board and run it from one end to another. So being that he didn't have his manpower, I already knew he was gonna piece this together, because sheetrock is very heavy, and if you don't have the machine to push it all the way up or the manpower that you need, there's no way in the world that you can lift a board by yourself and do it. So as you can see, he had to cut several boards and piece it together. So he'll be back on Tuesday to do more taping and possibly the texturizing of the ceiling. We're not sure if he's going to complete the painting of the ceiling. So one of the issues we have right now, and I should have been in here, but I wasn't. But he should have asked questions too. So he closed it up, not taking my other electrical wire for my other light that goes on the left. So here's the one on the right, and there's the one on this side is where the left one goes. So he closed the wire up. So now he's gonna have to cut out this area right here to get the light fixture wire to come down, and so that the electrician can rewire the new light fixture that has to go over here. He may even have to go into the attic space upstairs, because I do have a little bit of attic space upstairs where he can get to it, because he did say that he placed the wire in this back area. So he said he know exactly where he placed it. So my thing is, if he cuts out this area right here, he can probably use some kind of hanger wire to fish it outward if we turn the power off, because that is live wire up there. So that is the situation that we ran into today. So as far as the flooring getting done, that probably is not going to get done until maybe Wednesday or Thursday. The guys are saying they probably could do it, but they rather them finish texturizing and painting the ceiling before they lay any flooring down. So I'm hoping by next weekend we'll have everything moved back into my kitchen. Everything will be cleaned off. Everything will be back in its place by next weekend. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, you guys, so this is where we're at right now. And again, making progress, but it's slow. But hopefully by next weekend, I'll be back in the groove of things, and I'll be in my happy place, which is the kitchen or my craft room. All right, you guys, so this is what it's looking like, and I will see you guys in the next video, the next update. Thank you guys for chiming into my channel. Thank you for all of your comments, your encouraging words, your condolences, all my cheerleaders out there in the YouTube world. Thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you will be notified of the next SCK video. All right, family? Thank you for tuning in. Esikhomesteddah. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace, love, and light. And Essie is out.